Tired of complex system design? Say hello to Specialized Solar Systems Energydock all-in-one compact power solution.
Whether it's load shedding or your first step toward going green, our Energydock range provides you with contemporary, compact, and easy-to-install solar solutions. Energydock's product range is designed as a complete solar power solution, combining of multiple quality components into a single unit. Kicking off with the Energydock DC unit. Perfect for when you have no electricity at all. Easy to install, featuring solar panel charging, an advanced lithium iron phosphate battery, safety features, Bluetooth monitoring, and a DC fridge output.
The Energydock standard range features quality Victron Energy inverters, our own locally manufactured lithium iron phosphate batteries, and a built-in solar charge controllers, allowing you to add solar panels anytime.
Our top of the range premium Energydock features proven Victron Energy inverters, our STORAGEDOCK lithium iron phosphate battery, remote management, and allows for the addition of solar panels with our DC attachment unit to meet all your energy needs.
And last but not least, our powerful EnergyPod range, designed, built, and optimized at our factory for commercial applications. And all the necessary components is housed within one EnergyPod unit. In our Thembalethu solar electrification pilot project, we deployed an EnergyPod as an off-grid power solution, providing remotely managed electricity for 13 households in an informal settlement. Energydock, empowering your world with clean and efficient energy.